Alright guys, so check it out. Right now we are going to start on the hood. So we're going to go over to my car real quick. And we're going to open this up and see how to take it off and everything like that. And then we'll install that one first. The reason why I want to install that one first is pretty heavy, guys. And I wanted to get that one done because it's like the heaviest part before I do anything else. I wanted to line everything up, all the little edges up, and able to put it on already. So let's get started on that one, guys. Alright guys, so as you can see right now, we're about to take off the hood right now. And we're going to have to unscrew it from right here and right here. And yeah, so we're going to get that done right now. Show you guys how to do it. So check it out right now. We just loosened these up and we took one off down there. And we are going to remove this hood strut. Right now we're going to start off on this side and then we'll get to that side right now. And yeah, right here you have to open it up a little bit. You have to open it up to loosen it. Definitely have another person with you at the time because this is not going to be a one-person job. So you loosen it up like that, pry it out, and then you just want to put that down. We're going to do this right now, and then that's pretty much it. It's going to be all loose and it's going to be good to take off. Alright guys, so check it out. This is the car right now with no hood on and it looks crazy. The new hood is on. You can see it. Right now it's a little dirty. I'm gonna clean the car right now and I'm gonna get some good pictures of it. But if you can see right here, the little gaps, it's perfect. It's pretty much like the factory one. Right now it's not closed fully, if you can see. We're gonna see what's going on right there because it's not closing right now. But I think we just have to adjust it a little bit. But look at the gaps, guys. It's perfect, just like factory. And check out the paint, guys. I think it's pretty much exactly the same. And that's pretty cool. I'm really excited for that. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video on installing the hood. I'll catch you guys next time. And stay tuned for the next video when I put the bumper on. And it's going to be looking good, guys. Actually not getting the latch to connect for some reason. But since we're going to take off the bumper, we're going to just take it all off right now. And then we'll adjust the latch so then it will go in perfectly. And yeah, so we're going to get started on the bumper. But this is going to be in a different video, so keep that in mind.
You can't save, I'm not enough.